So today's video is a super cute, super quick, super easy closure wig install. If you want the details to this unit, this 10x6 closure that you can put behind your ears, right? Yep. So this is a 10x6 closure. So like that's 10 inches across, and then that's gonna go 6 inches back. So it has a drawstring feature, and then it also has a wig band. Next thing's next. We're just gonna comb the hair out. It already comes pre-straightened. Can you believe this is a closure? A closure install that I could put behind my ears. Like it's too good. Quick enough for me to install and be on time for work. I'm like, y'all, look how natural this unit looks. I think it hits even harder with my glasses. Like I need my glasses to dry.